Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. You're tuned into Credits to AI, your one-stop destination for all things tech. As always, we've got a captivating lineup of fascinating topics, insights, and updates from the world of technology, innovation, and beyond. From the ambitious Metaverse by Meta to NASA's Asteroid sample, Apple's latest iPhone series, and more, we're diving deep into today's most compelling stories. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into today's topics. Have you ever wondered what a world where virtual and physical reality merge would look like? Well, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is working on turning this into reality. The social media giant has rebranded itself with a new name that reflects a shift in focus. Meta, a term denoting a concept which is an abstraction of another concept, seems fitting as the company aims to pioneer the concept of the Metaverse. The Metaverse is envisioned as an expansive virtual reality space where users can interact with a computer-generated environment and other users. It's not just about creating a digital twin of our physical world, but about building an entirely new universe that offers limitless possibilities. Imagine attending a concert with friends who are miles away, or exploring a digital art gallery, all from the comfort of your living room. This is the future Meta is striving to build. Beyond the Metaverse, Meta has also introduced a new logo and brand identity. The logo, a simple yet elegant infinity loop, symbolizes the limitless possibilities of the digital realm. Meanwhile, the new brand identity is a reflection of the company's commitment to building a future beyond the constraints of traditional social media. In line with this, Meta has announced a lineup of AI chatbots and characters for their social media apps. These AI personalities are designed to enhance user interaction, creating a more engaging and personalized social media experience. With Meta leading the charge, we may soon find ourselves living in a world where the lines between physical and digital are blurred. From the vastness of the Metaverse to the mysteries of outer space, let's shift gears and talk about NASA's recent accomplishment. Not too long ago, NASA opened up a capsule that journeyed all the way back from the asteroid Bennu. What they found inside was truly astonishing. Over 250 grams of pristine material, plus some unexpected debris from the spacecraft. These samples aren't just asteroid dust, they're a time capsule, a snapshot of the solar system's early days. By analyzing this material, scientists hope to uncover clues about the origin and evolution of our celestial neighborhood. Each grain could hold the answers to questions we've been asking for centuries. How did our solar system form? What elements were present during its birth? This is not just about the past though, it's also about our future. The data gleaned from the Bennu samples could help us prepare for potential asteroid impacts, discover resources for deep space exploration, and unravel more of the cosmos's tightly held secrets. As we continue to explore space, every tiny bit of material from the cosmos brings us closer to understanding our universe. Speaking of understanding, Apple's new iPhone 15 series is here, promising to redefine our understanding of smartphone technology. The series comes with a host of new features. The redesigned notch makes the phone look sleeker than ever, while the 120Hz display ensures a smooth, fluid viewing experience. Under the hood, the A15 Bionic chip provides faster processing speeds, promising to handle any task with ease. The improved cameras are set to take your photography game to the next level, capturing sharper images and videos. As for battery life, it's been extended, allowing users to spend more time on their devices without constantly reaching for the charger. However, it hasn't been all sunshine and roses. Some users of the iPhone 15 Pro Max have reported overheating issues. It seems the device's larger size and weight may be causing the device to heat up more than its siblings in the series. Apple is yet to comment on these reports, but it's something potential buyers should be aware of. Despite the heating issue, the iPhone 15 series seems to be another step forward in Apple's technological innovation. Now, if you're thinking about upgrading your gadgets, you might want to wait for the upcoming festive season sales from Flipkart and Amazon. Mark your calendars, because the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale will kick off on October 8, while the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale is set to begin on October 10. From smartphones, laptops, tablets to TVs and other gadgets, there's going to be a huge array of tech products up for grabs at colossal discounts. With such tempting deals, it's the perfect time to get your hands on the latest tech gadgets. While we're on the topic of tech, did you know Elon Musk once wanted to merge Tesla with OpenAI? Yes, back in 2018, Musk, the revered tech maverick, envisioned a grand union between his electric car company and his artificial intelligence research lab. He believed that this merger would create a formidable force, a superpower, in the realm of AI. However, this ambitious plan was met with resistance from other members of OpenAI and ultimately fell through. It seems that even for visionaries like Musk, not all plans come to fruition. But who knows what the future holds? From the Metaverse to iPhones, Asteroid samples to missed mergers, we've covered a lot of ground today. The world of tech is ever evolving, always surprising us with its relentless pace and groundbreaking innovations. Whether it's about the next big thing in virtual reality or a potential game-changing merger, we're here to keep you updated. As we wrap up today's episode, we hope you've enjoyed this dive into the tech world as much as we have. Remember, in the realm of technology, the only constant is change. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Credits to AI for more tech updates. See you next time.